during the periods of time and today now as a Burmese Asian culture, we are in Lightning Festival. There are many countries around the world, and maybe not all the country, but in some country like the Asian country, we have the problem, maybe many problem about the violence or politics or many things happening. But when it's come to in festival, during a little bit of time, during the festival time, we take a little peaceful and there is no manipulation in festival, and we don't even care about the black or white, or we don't even care maybe the ugly or the beautiful. Maybe sometimes we want to see the beautiful about girl or something like it's a teenager, something like that. But it is as a kids, as a parents, maybe we are not the same language, Chinese, English, something, many things. Many of the kids play happily together. But in normal time, in some normal time, people are killing each other. People take the violence, and maybe you are not in the inside. Maybe you are in the inside. I am in the outside, and maybe I am on the outside and you are in the inside. And we are taking the violence and fighting each other in the normal time. But in the grandfather or the grandmother take the system in the old way and making for the festival. About this, when it comes to festival, people are enjoying the process together, happy together, feeling fulfillment and peaceful. We enjoy together. I see one thing is in normal time people are violent and angry and fighting each other. But in some when it comes to this time, people are happy and enjoyable. Why we don't choose the peaceful way together, and why we don't choose the peaceful way about the fulfillment in just the normal time in like the festival time, so we don't need to back angry, violent, which is other like will be beautiful. When it comes to the reason, it's about we don't know about the unknown. We don't know about we can handle the peaceful way and we can handle the enjoy for a long time for the process. So the reason we need to practice about the saying like if we can control our mind, we can control everything, something like that. We cannot happy all the time, and we also will not sad, will not be angry all the time. At the end of the day, everything will be like the way it is. So to can more enjoy more, to be peaceful more, and to be in a great way, a good thing, to be more good, and to be less the violence and less bad thing, and to be more grateful and to be more good. And then we need to learn, continuous learning about the good thing every single day, and there will be more good thing and the bad thing the best version. There will be more the good thing coming in, and there will be less the bad thing, and our life will be coming good, and it will be okay. Something like that. So, how do you think about it? You can comment down below and discuss something, and where you are from, and what other festival do you have. You can share freely many things. So enjoy the process, and yeah, just not talk for too long. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Bye for now.